If you're looking for professional electricians in Norwich, then look no further. Here at Alpha Electricals, we offer reliable, affordable electric services for domestic, commercial and industrial premises. We are a family-run business with a strong focus on customer satisfaction, and our reliable and efficient staff are here to help you. From full property rewires and emergency lighting installations to PAT testing and landlord safety certificates, we've been serving customers for over 50 years across the Norwich area. Whether you're an office in need of a routine fire alarm inspection, a small business needing data line installation and repair, or simply a homeowner in need of electrical upgrades, all of our work is guaranteed for 12 months. And whether your issue is major or minor, our well-trained technicians will be on hand to help. With reasonable prices and a huge array of products and services to choose from, give us a call today for a free initial consultation. We never want you left in the dark, so as well as free quotations and call-outs, we offer an emergency 24-hour service, so we're always just a phone call away. If you need more information, please visit our website, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Alpha Electricals, we've got you covered.